Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make a masala mutton bhuna, which is a very authentic old recipe. So let me share this with you all. For that I have taken 500 grams of mutton with bones mutton, which I have washed very nicely, and I have kept it for draining so that it becomes dry. Apart from the mutton, what I require is coriander seeds, whole coriander actually, 1 tablespoonful of a few dry red chilies. This goes according to your taste, and garam masala. And here I have taken curd, some coriander leaves, ginger grated, and 1 large onion finely chopped. I have taken 2 potatoes which I have cut into lengthwise, and I have kept them in water so that they don't become black. And apart from that, what I need is some jaggery powder and ghee and some hot water. Now come on, let's start the cooking. Here I have kept a pan. In this I will be dry roasting the masalas. In garam masalas I have taken 1 cinnamon, few cardamoms, and a little bit of cloves, 2 or 3 cloves. This I will be frying nicely, and then I will be keeping it in a mixie jar, and when it is cool I will be making a powder out of it. Now in this oil I will be frying. Now here I will be adding 2 tablespoonful of oil to this. When the oil is red hot, I will be adding the potatoes, and I'll be frying the potatoes, adding a little bit of turmeric powder and salt, and I'll be frying them till they are golden in color. So this will take a little bit of time, friends. Do it in medium heat. Do not raise the heat too much so that the potato may not get charred or blackish. Now fry this, as I told you all, in a medium flame till they are golden in color. I'll show you all, friends, after frying. See, the potatoes are nicely fried. They are having a lovely golden coating on them. Now in the same oil I will be frying the onions till they are golden in color. Let the onion fry. Now here I have taken a bowl. To this I will be adding the mutton. Then goes the salt and the ginger paste and the masala which I have made a powder out of it. A little bit of turmeric also I have added. Now I will be mixing this and massaging the mutton for at least 10 minutes. This is a very important step, friends. Do not miss this. After massaging it, I will be keeping it away for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's see how our onions have been fried. Now I will take a pressure cooker. Onions are nicely fried. They are golden brown in color. Here I will be taking a pressure cooker, and I will add no more oil. The oil which is here in the kadhai, I will be adding the onions along with the oil. Now after adding the onions, I will be adding the marinated mutton to it. Now here goes my mutton. Now these steps are very easy, friends. If you follow them, they will give out a lovely result, and this is a very tasty mutton dish. Now cover it and fry it till it is done. Now let the oil separate. Actually here I will be adding the salt according to taste. This is the final adding of the salt, and here I'll add 1 tablespoonful of coriander powder. Now mix everything and fry till oil separates. In between you can cover it and then again fry in medium flame. Do not raise the flame too much. Now here I have kept some water. I will be, see friends, the oil has nicely separated. Now it's the steam is covering. I have added 1 cup of water and then given it 2 whistles. After that, when the steam is released, I have opened the pressure cooker and I have added the coriander leaves which I have shown you earlier. Now mix it everything and keep it in the room temperature, and now your dish is ready to serve. Friends, do try this once and let me know how it come out. It is really a very tasty, delicious dish. You must try it. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. New friends, I request you to subscribe, please. Thank you for watching.